Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. This is literally going to be the fastest video I've ever made in my life, but I'm going to give you one tip, one tool that you can take to the marketplace and use right now. If you already know this, awesome. If you don't, add it to your arsenal, and guess what? It'll help you, I promise. So, we'll start out with some new car salesmen, all right? So if you're a new car salesman, or if you sell new cars, even pre-owned, let's just combine them together. And let's say a customer comes in and they're like, hey, I would like this model in leather, sunroof, navigation. Okay, so you look out there, and I gotta have pearl white. That's gotta be the color I have. My last 4 cars are pearl white. And then you go find on your lot that you only have one that's equipped the way they want it, but it's black. Well, obviously you pull the black one around, right? And you say, listen, this is gonna be the exact car you're gonna be buying. It's gonna be identical, but it will be white. So I want you to check out the features. You'll go sell it to them. You'll make them fall in love with it. And then whenever it's time to start asking for their business, you're going to go inside, and what I normally see a lot of salesmen do is when the client says, I don't like the color and I want a different color, you say, well, I can dealer trade one in. We'll get a white one. And then I'll give you something to drive while we do the paperwork. And then when that car comes in, we'll get you the car that you want, and here we go. Now I'm going to tell you this, okay? Time is money. Guys, how much time does that take? I mean, I'm just going to tell you, if that's the last thing in the world that you have to do, I get it, that's okay, all right? We got to do what we need to do in our business to take care of our customers. But I'm going to tell you this, are you just folding up like a cheap suit and you have no closing ability to you and that's just the way that you're handling it? I'll go find you one, we'll deal or trade you one? Guys, let me ask you this, how about this? Go sell a car. Go make them fall in love with it, everything about it. Guys, this is the pearl black. I know that you're not crazy about that. You want pearl white. We'll get to that. Look at the navigation. Look at the sunroof. Look at this. Look at that. You drive it. Doesn't it feel great? And then when you come inside and you say, hey, look, I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy something here. And they come inside with you. When you're writing it up, you say this. Look, guys, I'm going to ask you a question, okay? I've got my favorite manager with me on the desk today. He does deals that are insane. I love him. It is literally prime time to make the best deal of your life. I want to ask you this. Would you guys go colorblind for a great deal? Would you go colorblind for a deal you couldn't say no to? Would you? 75% of your people will say yes. How good a deal? I'm asking you a question. It's real simple. It's either yes or no. Would you go colorblind for a deal you couldn't say no to? Show me the deal. Guys, that means that they'll change their color, okay? And what you do at that point, right, if you're in a new car store, is you're going to go right up the black car. You're going to go sell them that black car, and your manager's going to help you make the deal, and you ain't messing with the BS of dealer trading something, okay? So that's if you're in a new car store. If you're pre-owned, it's pretty simple, right? So I go by, this guy's got this lifted truck. Let's say it's a blue, right? He only buys black, you know what I'm saying? Or it's white, and he only buys silver because he lives on a dirt road and he don't like white, right? And then it's a lifted truck, and he's like, gosh, man, I'm going to tell you that truck is everything I wanted. Just hate the color. I'll never own white. Look, let me ask you a question, okay? Let's do this. I got an idea. Let's go drive this. Make sure you love it. If it was silver, you'd have bought it, right? Let's go drive it. I'll check it out, make sure they love it. I'll get them to drive it. And then when I get back and they feel how nice it drives and how great that truck is that they said in that's white, I'm going to get out and I'm going to say, hey, listen, and I mean this when I say this. I'm going to make you a deal you can't say no to, but I'm going to ask you, you'll go colorblind for a great deal, won't you? I mean, you'll physically go colorblind for a deal you can't say no to. 75% will say yes. Guys, start landing them on the cars. When people say they don't like the color, don't say, oh, okay, well, let's just go look for a different color. Guys, let me ask you this. You go colorblind for a great deal. I mean, would you go colorblind for a deal you couldn't say no to? I mean, just couldn't say no. You go colorblind for that deal, right? Guess what? When you say that and then they switch colors, now they're on the car that you have in stock, on the different color. Now go work your deal like any deal, guys. But it's just to get that mindset to switch. So why I say a deal you couldn't say no to, just the deal of your life. Because I want their mind to switch so I can get into that deal. Trust me, I'll close it when they switch. So I want you to try that. When the customer says and the client says, I don't like the color, I want you to say, you go colorblind for a great deal, wouldn't you? You go colorblind for a deal you couldn't say no to, right? I would. You would too, right? Handle it that way. I hope this helps. Have an awesome day, guys.